Hello guys, today I'm gonna be very brief and it's a short video where I'm gonna show you a paper call network, but I think it is a good paper call. I just joined it and I'm gonna try it because there is one of my subscriber who make a lot of money with this paper call network, but I just wanna show you where I find this one. So I just type paper call, I go to Offervault and I just type paper call and you're gonna see this is a great place to join. They pay over $1,000. This is Palo Alto. This is a typical network, and let me show you why I like this one. I didn't make money yet with them, but I can see it is a great place to make money. I'm already member of this one. I didn't run yet any advertise for them. Uh, any ad I can say for them, but let me show you why I prefer this one. So there are a lot of offer and these offer convert very quick. And I'm gonna show you a cool way to find traffic. That is a method that myself I use and I know a lot of people use it too to make money using this strategy. So you can see this is inside of this one because I just joined. You see, I didn't make money yet with them. I can see they have some interesting campaign, guys, that can make you a lot of money and so easy to join. If I click apply to new campaign, I'm gonna show you why I like this one and you're supposed to go and join this company. This is Palo Alto. It's like Market Co, but the one you see, this is all the campaign available. They are campaign that you can make up to $150, and this one you can make just $52. Let me see, it is auto insurance because I like wanting auto insurance ad because it is easy to convert, but you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need a website, a personal website, and you're gonna create a separate page just to promote this, and I'm gonna show you how. So you can see they will pay you uh $52 every time someone make 120-second or 125-second. Let me show you example people uh, using this. So if you go to Google right now and you just type uh, auto insurance, get auto insurance quote and auto insurance quote, you're gonna see bunch of website running ad using this particular uh, type of paper code. You can see right here, these are ads. All these are ads. But if you are here, you can see this guy won paper code. So if anyone click on this, you're gonna make money. I don't know how much you're gonna make, but you're gonna make money. So you can see this is a second example. People wanting ad using this. If I just open one of them, let me just open uh this one. I'm gonna open something that is not really popular so you can see. So people using this method, and when you just go to this website, they just create them and they make money. This is a simple step. Anytime someone just put their email and phone number, or these people try to call to have a quote for their car and they need insurance, you see this website, if someone click right here, they're gonna make money. I don't know how much they're gonna make, but I'm sure that they're gonna make great bucks from that. So how they know if that's gonna work? It's easy. You're supposed to have website like mine. You see, I use Bluehost. You go to Bluehost and you create a free website for just $3. In this website that you create, you will find template that you can use. You can see just for $3 right here. You can start with Bluehost. Uh, you can just have a website up and running as my website. So let me just show you Bluehost. So you can have a website running my website. Let me show you my website. This is my website. You're gonna see there are plenty of ads on my website. When it loads, you're gonna see. So this is the method that I use. I use my website and I place the call to action on my website. And when people click on them, now will make money. This is how I do it. So you will need to go to Bluehost. For less than $3, you're gonna have a website. It was your friend Vanel. Please like this video and share it. Bye bye.